welcome to my YouTube channel. Got an early marker from the boss today. He said, Ed, you can go home early. And I've gone, ripper, thanks boss. That's why I got the high vis on. Heading up to Echuca for just a weekender, a quick weekender away, which is pretty cool. Going to a place called Betts Beach. Been here once before. Top spot, by the way, Betts Beach. Don't tell anybody, but shh, your mind secret. And I'm actually going to be doing a live stream from there tonight at about 6 o'clock. So if you're watching this video, maybe you've already seen the live stream, or if you haven't, maybe you should go have a look, because who knows what's going to happen in a live stream. Up there with a few friends from YouTube. And it's to celebrate my 1,000 subscriber count, and thank you very much for everybody who's subscribed. It's been an awesome journey, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because it helps me no end. You have no idea. So we're going to hit the road, and I'll probably see you at camp. Got to camp at about 2:30 yesterday. Set up camp, had a couple of drinks, set up the live stream, which was pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed that. Link in the description. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Had souvlaki's for tea last night, made by Nas from Nas Time Adventures, so they were pretty nice. And we've woken up to an absolutely glorious morning. Not, well, there's a couple of clouds in the sky, but it's a bit chilly. But, well, worth it, even though it did rain last night. So let's go over and check out, see what Nas is making me for breakfast. Nas, morning.
Cooking his breakfast, because I finished his dinner, so now it's time to cook his breakfast, because that's what good friends do. The better friends pay you back.
Oh yeah.
So he's doing a roast tonight. We're making him cook.
And what are we having for breakfast, Nas? I forgot.
Bacon and eggs.
And eggs?
Maple glazed streaky bacon. You buy it in these little, nice little cryovac packets, and they last a couple of weeks, so great for those longer trips too.
Helpful hint there.
Yeah, I want a helpful hint. Make sure that the packet's well sealed, because they're not always well sealed when you get there. And they won't last as long.
I've already had my coffee.
Had your coffee?
Had my coffee.
No, I got my juice.
He has juice, I have coffee. So that's brekkie. We're going to set up the fire for later on, and we don't really need a fire today, but we'll probably light one anyway, and we'll see how the day pans out. All right, I'll check you soon. Lunch day was biscuits, chips, cheese, salami, and some other tasty treats. So that was lunch. That was pretty easy to do. We knocked that off fairly quickly, and now we're doing dinner right now. So everybody's sitting around watching the roast pork go. And I'll just give you a look around camp at the beautiful people we have here. Now the beautiful people we have here, we have
Matt from MKM Touring Australia.
There you go, and another beautiful person here, Steve.
Hey, I'm George from Off-Road Tavern.
Yeah, and really your name is?
Steve from Australian 4x4 Adventures.
Steve is the King's killer of fridges, so if you ever invite him to camp and you want to get a new fridge and you've got a King's fridge, invite Steve, because he'll kill your fridge. Thanks, Steve.
They're scared of me.
Oh, I know, it's King's quality, mate, and you certainly got them sorted. And we have over here with beautiful people.
Yeah, if you want to,
Gay. And
the Lesbian Carol.
And you're from? Gay and the Lesbian, yes. And we'll just keep wandering around, and we'll look at the meat that's on the Oz spit cooking away beautifully. Look at that. They told me on the thermometer it's going to take an hour and 24 minutes, so we're going to be surprised if it actually goes that far. And there's one other person here, he just blows in every now and again. And that is?
Yeah, that guy you have nightmares about, and you know, when the people hear about Australia and crazy people, yeah, it's one of us.
And you are? Nas from Nas Time Adventures.
Yes. I thought everybody knew me by now.
No, not yet.
You know Ed. I'm the one who made Ed his 1,000 subscribers.
No, not really. So that's dinner for tonight. We're still at Betts Beach here, enjoying, loving life. I'll let you know how the roast goes when we carve it all up and all the rest of it. And big communal dinner. So we've got the roast chicken, as I just the roast pork. We've got chicken wings in Coca-Cola over there. We've got a slow cooked beef roast getting done in Steve's Travel Buddy, so that'll be nice. And we've got corn and we've got roast potatoes. It's going to be really good. So we're looking forward to that. I'll let you know how we go with dinner tonight when we're carving all the meat up and getting stuck in. So we're going to have a couple of brewskis right now and have some stimulating conversation. Let's get stuck in and have that stimulating conversation.
Alright, I've got the taters ready. Ed, are you ready with the rest of it? I hope you've done the roast.
We've got the roast pork done on the Aussie, on the coals, ready to go and carve. And we've also got, of all things, you'll never guess, Coca-Cola chicken wings done by Gay and Carol from Gay and Lesbian. So we're looking forward to that. We're going to get stuck in for dinner and we'll see you in the morning. Morning, we had a great night last night. We had the roast happening, the pork and the veggies and all the rest of it went down just a treat. Sat around a fire, good company, a couple of drinks, all the rest of it. Packing up, heading home today, which is a shame because I would have liked to stay an extra day or two. And I've been invited over for a special breakfast to a camp just behind me over there. So let's go over and see who invited me and what am I having for my special breakfast. Let's go. Morning.
Morning. Morning.
Morning. Go, Carol.
How you going?
How you going?
Mine's a tad windy today.
It is just a tad, yeah, sorry about that. Just white bread does it to me every time. We got a special breakfast. I got invited over from a special breakfast, and believe me, this is a special breakfast. You're never going to guess what it is. Go on, guess. No, all right, I'll stop torching you. Dimmies, mate, dimmies for brekkie. You can't get any better than some good dim sims for breakfast. Well, I don't think so anyway. So this is Carol's specialty. She makes these dimmies every morning for everybody around camp for breakfast. Isn't that right, Carol?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, so you've got to convince, mate, got to convince. And we've got all the condiments. We've got Aussie sauce, we've got soy sauce, we've got sweet chili sauce. And if they're a bit too cold, we've got some warmers for you. All right, guys, that's the end of this one. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye for now.